NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has scarcely woken up, and the universe is now more puzzling and more gorgeous than mankind's fantasies. This is a tremendous disclosure, and we feel that it's a gigantic revelation. The most thrilling aspect of this telescope, this surprising instrument we've placed in space, is finding things that we didn't expect and can't make sense of. This implies that we need to rethink our understanding of the universe. The JWST is exceptional to the point that, with sufficient observation time, you could likely discover any world that ever formed in the universe. It's truly that powerful. NASA has recently discovered a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. This new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or approximately 800 trillion miles. Astronomers estimate that the planet is about 1.5 times the size of Earth and orbits a small, cool, reddish star. This is fascinating. While we haven't yet found an exact twin of Earth, this discovery is exciting. Among the latest batch of 500 new potential planets, this one stands out. Though it is slightly larger than Earth, about half again its size, it holds great promise. Scientists have also revealed a significant discovery. Another planet called PROXIMA b, located only 4 light-years away. Relatively close to us, PROXIMA b is almost the same size as Earth. Because it orbits at the right distance from its star, it might be the right temperature to have liquid water and possibly life. If we look beyond our solar system to the next closest star, Proxima Centauri, which is 24 trillion miles away, it still feels relatively close in space terms. PROXIMA b, slightly larger than Earth, orbits a star much cooler than our Sun but lies within the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. In theory, this means it could support life. The James Webb Telescope has done it again, and this time it's making headlines for something truly groundbreaking. PROXIMA b, the nearest exoplanet to our planetary system, might not be just another distant rock. New discoveries suggest life could potentially exist there, and the evidence is nothing short of stunning. What exactly did the James Webb Telescope find to cause such a stir? Let's dive into these pivotal discoveries that could reshape our understanding of life beyond Earth. What's happening at PROXIMA b? The James Webb Telescope has identified something unusual on PROXIMA b, an exoplanet that has been of great interest since its discovery in 2016. But what makes PROXIMA b so unique? And why are astronomers paying such close attention? First, the basics. Proxima Centauri b, also known as Alpha Centauri cb, is an exoplanet orbiting the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri. This star is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system and is the closest star to our Sun, located about 4.2 light-years from Earth in the constellation Centaurus. It is one of the nearest known exoplanets to our solar system, along with Proxima d and the debated Proxima c. Proxima Centauri b orbits its star at a distance of approximately 7.26 million kilometers and completes one orbit in about 11.2 Earth days. In astronomical terms, this is very close. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might allow liquid water to exist, one of the key factors for life as we know it. Naturally, scientists have been eager to study this planet for any signs of life beyond Earth. Challenges to life on PROXIMA b. However, there's a challenge. PROXIMA b orbits a red dwarf star. Red dwarfs are not exactly friendly neighbors, as they are known for their volatile behavior, often releasing intense solar flares. These flares raise concerns, as they could strip away a planet's atmosphere, leaving it exposed and potentially inhospitable. Despite these challenges, astronomers didn't give up. They continued studying the planet, hoping it might still reveal something significant. While PROXIMA b's characteristics are not yet fully understood, its mass is believed to be around 1.07 times that of Earth. One of the most intriguing aspects of PROXIMA b is the likelihood that it is tidally locked to its star. This means one side of the planet is always facing the star, resulting in perpetual daylight on one hemisphere and eternal darkness on the other. Such a scenario would create extreme climate conditions, with only a twilight zone between the light and dark sides potentially being habitable. New climate models. Excitingly, new climate models designed to simulate rocky exoplanets around red dwarfs suggest that PROXIMA b could indeed be habitable. Using supercomputers, scientists ran 3D simulations that revealed various potential environments based on environmental factors. The results were remarkable. Despite being tidally locked, the planet might still support life if it has an atmosphere similar to Earth's and a strong magnetic field. These features could shield it from the harsh radiation emitted by its parent star. In this scenario, Proxima b could even have an ocean stretching into its night side, possibly resembling a giant eyeball planet staring at its star. While this may sound strange, it's an exciting possibility for scientists searching for signs of life beyond Earth. The game changer. Then came the game changer, the James Webb Space Telescope. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble telescope, the Webb telescope is equipped with advanced infrared instruments, allowing it to peer deeper into space and capture what Hubble couldn't. When scientists directed the telescope at Proxima b, they hoped to gather more information about its atmosphere, surface, and potential signs of life. What they discovered was unexpected: a faint glow from the planet's night side. This wasn't due to natural phenomena like volcanic activity or auroras. Instead, the glow was steady and consistent, more like artificial lighting, the kind you'd expect from a city at night. Could this indicate intelligent life? This discovery has left scientists stunned. Could this be evidence of an advanced civilization? While it's too early to draw definitive conclusions, the possibility cannot be ignored. Artificial lights are one of the few phenomena we associate with developed civilizations, as seen when viewing Earth from space. If Proxima b truly has something akin to artificial lighting, it could be the first real clue that we're not alone in the universe. A high level of energy that we couldn't yet envision. Proxima b orbits a small red star, which is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This could mean its inhabitants needed to innovate their energy production, perhaps harnessing energy in ways that could offer us clues for solving our energy problems on Earth. But imagine if these lights are merely the remnants of a civilization. Consider it. What if this is a society that once thrived but is now in decline? What might have caused it? Perhaps they faced internal conflicts, ran into environmental problems, or even experienced a massive catastrophe. On the other hand, what if the civilization is still flourishing? If that's the case, it raises the possibility of real contact between us and them. The next question is whether we should actually try to make contact. History teaches us that when two civilizations meet, things don't always go smoothly. We have countless examples from our own history where encounters between human societies led to either cooperation or conflict. So, if we do decide to contact this alien civilization, what would that look like? Do we approach them cautiously, or do we jump straight into communication? The moral and practical questions are endless and, frankly, a bit daunting. There's also the enormous challenge this discovery presents to our current understanding of where life can exist. For the longest time, scientists believed that planets orbiting red dwarf stars were not exactly life-friendly. These stars often emit powerful solar flares that could easily strip away an atmosphere and leave a planet barren. Yet here we are with potential evidence that life, even intelligent life, might be thriving in such conditions. If that's the case, it would completely change our thinking about where life could exist in the universe. Red dwarfs are actually the most common type of star in the universe. If life can thrive on Proxima b, it means there could be many other planets around red dwarfs where life might also exist. Suddenly, the universe appears much more crowded. Even places we once thought were unlikely candidates for life might warrant another look. So what's next? How does this discovery impact space exploration? But what if the light is concentrated in specific areas? That would hint at the presence of city-states, nations, or communities. The patterns could reveal a lot about how this alien civilization functions, from urban planning to technological priorities. Understanding how this alien society operates would be crucial if we ever do make contact. Are they peaceful explorers eager to share their knowledge and culture? Or are they isolationists choosing to remain hidden from the rest of the universe? The light suggests a civilization advanced enough to potentially engage in interstellar travel. If that's the case, they may have already explored other planets and star systems beyond Proxima Centauri. Another question that keeps coming up is the timing of this discovery. Proxima b is only 4.24 light-years away, meaning the light we are seeing now left the planet just over 4 years ago. That's practically real time on the cosmic scale. This raises the possibility that any civilization on Proxima b could be at a similar technological stage as us. They might be facing the same societal challenges or working on similar advancements, albeit in an alien world. Alternatively, they might be a much older civilization that has already reached its technological peak or even collapsed, with the lights being the last remnants of a once great society. The sheer proximity of Proxima b means that communication, while challenging, wouldn't take as long as we might expect. The possibilities of engaging with an alien civilization on Proxima b are staggering. If we send out a message, we could receive a response in just 9 years. That's the potential here. While Proxima b remains a promising candidate for extraterrestrial life, it is far from the only place in our galaxy, or even in our solar system, where we could find signs of life. What do we know about alien life on other planets? NASA's exoplanet program is committed to finding undeniable evidence of life on other worlds. We've already made significant strides toward that goal with telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. These advanced tools are designed to analyze planets for signs such as oxygen, water vapor, and other indicators that suggest a planet could harbor life. The search for life isn't limited to distant exoplanets. Here in our own solar system, there are several intriguing candidates. For years, scientists believed Earth was the only habitable place, as planets like Mars seemed too dry and cold, and Venus too hot. However, recent discoveries have changed that perspective, showing that life can thrive in extreme environments and that some of our closest neighbors might harbor life beneath their surfaces. Mars, of course, has always been a favorite in the search for life. Billions of years ago, Mars had lakes and rivers. Even today, there's evidence of liquid water beneath its surface. NASA's Perseverance rover is scouring the planet for signs of ancient microbial life, and radar studies suggest that reservoirs of water might still exist underground, offering potential habitats for life. Venus, long thought to be inhospitable, has recently come back into the spotlight after scientists detected phosphine gas in its atmosphere. On Earth, this gas is typically produced by microorganisms in oxygen-poor conditions, leading to speculation that similar processes could be happening in the clouds of Venus. While the idea of life thriving in such a harsh environment seems far-fetched, it has spurred renewed interest in exploring our fiery neighbor. Beyond the inner planets, the moons of Jupiter and Saturn offer some of the most compelling environments for life. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is covered in an icy shell beneath which lies a vast ocean warmed by tidal forces. This subsurface ocean could be rich with the elements necessary for life. Similarly, Saturn's moon Enceladus has geysers that spew water vapor and organic compounds into space, pointing to a salty ocean beneath its icy surface. Both of these moons are high on the list for future missions. Even Neptune's moon Triton and the dwarf planet Ceres show some potential. Triton, with its nitrogen geysers and icy crust, could harbor subsurface oceans warmed by tidal forces. Meanwhile, Ceres might also have a deep, salty ocean beneath its surface. Although the conditions on these distant worlds are far more extreme, life has proven to be incredibly resilient, surviving in places on Earth we once thought impossible.